Hi, my name's Jim Shaw, and today we're going to curl some hair. So as you see, I am spraying Hair Instruments hairspray on the roots and the ends, and that gives the hair some amazing curl. Sometimes I use this wet, sometimes I use it dry, but usually I use it both. Now as you see, I'm starting to section the hair out, and I like to get the hair out of the way. Use some clips to hold it back, especially if you're doing this on yourself. Not as easy when you're doing it by yourself, so that's why we recommend some clips, as you see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the iron, and this is the Ionic 1 1/4 inch. It's a great curling iron for behind the chair. A lot of our clients are buying this and using it at home as well, and all of our products will be linked in below, so you can just click it and have it shipped. But as you see, I'm taking it and working it to the center. Whoa, look at those beautiful bouncy curls. Yes, look at that. Oh, the touch. The touch. Okay, that one's kind of springing up a little bit more. But, okay, so I'm going to work my way up the head. I'm working it up and making it go to the center, as you see. Keeping the iron moving, keeping the hands moving. And one thing, especially when you're doing hair at home, is you don't want to leave the hair in the iron too long. Because if you see, like if you look closely on her ends, when her ends aren't smoothed out with heat, like whether it's done with the iron, a wand, or a straightening iron, or flat iron, curling iron, etc., you'll notice that it will not get really smooth unless you put it under high heat. So that's another reason why I like using that Hair Instrument spray, because it really helps protect the hair. But it really seals it. It's almost like using when you're ironing a shirt. It's like putting starch on it, so it really seals it and doesn't have a lot of the creases. So that's one reason I really like this. And it's honestly, at the salon we don't have to have so many products, so it keeps costs down. Great product. All right, you see now I'm working from front to back. I'm on the sides right now. Just keep it moving. Keep it moving to the center. And how you know it's dry or you're done when the curls are set is you'll feel it. It starts feeling real smooth as you're pulling through it. Sometimes if I know that the hair has a lot of moisture in it, then you might be able to see a little bit of the steam coming in there, which is okay. It's actually kind of good. Sometimes that's product and sometimes it's just moisture that's in the hair. And it's almost like ironing a shirt again. If the shirt's totally dry, that's why you have to push the steam button so it puts the moisture back in, so it will actually help smooth out the hair or the fabric. And wow, look at those curls. She had balayage, beautiful. Love this hair. And as you see, we're finishing up. Over directing around the face. And on these curls, I kind of like to curl all the way through the ends. And reason for that is because the hair is a medium to fine texture. She has a little bit of natural wave. And I found that when her hair is more, the ends are straighter, it just doesn't have as finished of a look. And for this, we wanted more of a finished look. And it just has such nice bounce. I mean, it looks absolutely gorgeous all day. And she gets compliments all the time. So now what I'm going to do is, you can see that the hair is curled. So I'm going to take and run my hands through it. My fingers working from underneath, working up to the center, and then taking it from the front back. Everybody's got their own technique, so I highly recommend you trying your own, because it's really fun, especially when you really know how to place those curls. And look at the lighting on this. I mean, phenomenal. Ooh, love it. And wha-bammo. There she is. She's got her curls set, and that'll literally last all day, at least 10, 12, 15 hours. If she's out in the rain, forget about it. But there's the Ionic 1 1/4 inch. Great behind the chair iron. For now, I'm going to test a lot of stuff, so I'll be bringing you the stuff that I like for the moment. And everything else is linked in below. So see you soon.